Hey everyone, I got a new boat project today, and this weekend is a great weekend to get this project done. And what we're going to do is replace the lines on the lazy jacks. Also today it looks like it's low wind, so we're going to start the motor. We're going to warm it up, get ready for the season, but we're going to take the boat over to the pump station and bring it back into the new slip. Here's the sail pack. The lazy jacks are these lines that attach to them and fold it up when we're done sailing. Up there is the frayed line, and feed the new line up through the pulley and back down. So up at the top you can see where the lines attach halfway up the mast and come down. We can follow it down. There's the frayed line to replace, and the pulley system and the rest of the lines that attach to that one. Okay everyone, we've got the line here and we've got the sewing awl. Okay, and we've got the spool here and the scissors. Okay, we're about to cut this line and splice it to the old line, and then we're going to run it up the mast and through the pulley and back down, and that way I don't have to crawl up the mast today. Let's see if it all works out as planned. Okay, I've got to attach the new line to the old one, and we're going to run it up through the pulley. Okay, we've got the waxed cotton thread threaded through each piece of rope. We're going to put the butt ends together, and we're going to tie square knots in there and then put a piece of tape on it, and it's for sure not going to come off when we feed it up the mast. Okay, we've got the stitching done and the lines are connected, and then we have some black duct tape over those lines, and let's see if it bends. Yeah, it should go through the pulley. So we're going to start feeding the lines up the mast. Okay, I've got the line spread out on the deck. I've got this line. I've got to go up through that pulley. I got to start pulling these other ones down, and let's get it done. Oh, we had a bit of snag there, but we made it. Okay, let's see if we can do this. There it is, in my hand on one side and in my hand on the other, okay? We're gonna tie this off so it doesn't go backwards on us. Do the figure 8 cleat, tie that off there. The old lines are a bit swollen, the new lines are not, so I was hoping that would work to our advantage, but there it is. Now we'll just work on the other end where the pulley is, and then we'll have this one replaced. Let's check out that line. Let's see how bad it was. Here we go. Here's the bad part. There it is. Okay, so here's the next step. You can see the bad line. It's broke on the outer sleeve of the line. The inner core is fine. It was still working, but it's really dry, rotted, bad. It needed to be replaced. I don't want to be out in a situation where I can rely on it and it snaps altogether. So the original factory line has this eyelet braided back into it, and what I'm going to do is take this cotter pin out of the pulley and this shackle, and then I'm going to double the line back, and then I'm going to sew it together and wrap it really good using square knots to secure it with the shackle on it. Put the pulley back, and then we're back in business. So let's get that started. All right, I've got the loop made. I've got the cotton wax stitching done. Then I backed it up with the polyester stitching. There's about 10 stitches in there. Use the heat gun to melt everything in properly. I'm going to attach the shackle, the mini shackle here, and attach it to the pulley. Where's it at? Here it is. And then attach the pulley to it, and I'm going to hoist it back up there and get everything set in place. Okay. It's ready to hoist back in. Everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and hoist it up. All right. That is a winner right there. Everything in place. I'll show you guys. On the boom, let me cleat it off on the boom here, and let's check it out. Got a little extra. That's good. Okay, there you have it. New line in all the way down. Cleat it off right here. Everything's good to go. This boat project is done for today. Okay, we're gonna start up the motor, and first I have to change the through hole fittings to allow the water to circulate through the motor and come out the back. turn on the power to the binnacle up here where the gauges are. Sitting at the marina 12.3 feet underneath my keel, which is 6 foot. This boat has a diesel engine in it, and it's very low cost to operate. We've got to warm up the glow plugs. So let's put the key in, warm them up, and see if it'll start. We'll hold the switch up for about 30 seconds and then turn the key. That sounded promising. Get the fuel, the diesel up to the... There we go. She's a running. Old Xanadu. I do have a working water pump. Water coming out the back on the aft. We're about to make a sunset run to the pump station. Let's get this boat moving. Got the motor started. I'm going to unhook the spring lines, throw them on the dock. Okay, Cyndi, I'm going to pull it in so you can give you some slack. Unhook us from the bow. Coming forward. Go ahead. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Going in reverse. All right. We are underway, headed to the pump station. Let's take advantage of this good flat water. Making a port turn here, going into the sun. Sun's down, so it won't be blinding us. That's a beautiful sunset in front of us. What's up, man? Going to the pump station.
Oh, yeah.
There goes Bernie behind us. If you catch that, kind of pissed him off a little bit. His fishing time. Some friends. Saw them as we went out. They're out on their slip, getting ready to start the evening. We've been waiting on this rain to go away for the last 3 weeks. Finally good to get this boat over to the station and get her ready to go out on the lake. We got some aircraft taking off behind us from the landing airstrip, the airstrip that's over there. I'm going to bring us down, slow our speed up a little bit, coming into the pump station. Cindy's going to hook the line, the dock line up there. Just pull it from the middle, it's already ready to go, yeah. Foot of water over here, that's looking good. Let's slow her down a little bit more. See how easy this is today. Slow her down a little bit more. Kind of coast in. Put it in reverse. I'll get you a little bit closer. Just loop it around there and then kind of, there you go, kind of hold what you got with about 6 foot of slack. Okay, we got the boat over here when they hooked up the back. Okay, we've got this boat tied off and we're gonna pump her out and we'll be right back. We've got it pumped out and we're about to shove off. All right. Hard port. All right, we've got that done. We're headed back. Just take a few minutes to get back to the slip. See how we do on docking the boat. We'll see Cindy's first mate skills firsthand. First time of the year, first of the season. All right, first mate coming up. Captain's work's done. Trying to time it just right so when we get back there's enough light to see and film, see what we're doing without it being in our eyes. Got to slow it up a bit, find the slip. Coming into the cradle, first mate on the bow. That was about perfect right there. Right? Okay, go to the next side. Cyndi's putting the spring lines on right now. We're just kind of hovering in. Got it on idle. She's got it covered. First mates got it good. Okay, now the dock line. All four on? Good job. Now all I have to do is put the spring lines on the aft cleat and turn the motor off and we're back. All right. Now we've got this going. We've got shrimp skewers, kimchi, and what is that, a habanero pickle stuffed avocado. Yeah. Okay, right? So we had a little project going today. We took you on the lake, and we're going to sit here and eat this, and then we might do something else, so stay tuned. Okay, hey everyone, we're going to make some breakfast. Right? Okay. Cyndi, what you got here? What is this?
I went and bought duck eggs.
Duck eggs.
At a local farmer's market.
Oh, I thought you raided the
No.
duck's nest. Okay, so we have duck eggs. Look at this. We got some nice blue-green ones and some nice white ones right there. We're gonna make some duck egg foo young in the wok. Right? All right. Stick with us, and we're right back. All right, we're gonna put the shrimp in. Got the butter in the wok, heat it up. Throw in the shrimp. Go with the blue-green duck eggs today. 3 duck eggs. I'm gonna scramble those. Nice. I'll show you these yolks here. That's a nice yolk. Way more yolk than a chicken egg. I need a little more of my grass-fed butter. All right, I'm just gonna let that simmer for a second. Give it a toss. Throw my onions on there. onions on there. Give it a toss. And we're done. Voila. Final touch, grate some Parmesan. There you have it. You go, Cyndi.
Yum.
Okay, so we got that boat project done, right? Okay, now it's time to marinate some ribs. Baby back ribs, right here.
What?
Let me show you my special marinade trick. Got the gallon baggie. I got the line up here. Okay, these are pretty good. Baby back ribs already ready to go. They're already separated. So I'm going to just spray them down with olive oil. Okay, like that. This is some really good olive oil. Organic, extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed, okay? We don't want any rancid oil. No seed oil, no nothing like that.
We don't.
We want the best in our food. You are what you drink. I mean, eat.
Or both.
Okay. Okay. So what we do here on the boat is we get our ribs and we put them in this bag and we're going to put them marinated, and we're going to marinate these, and then we're going to put these out on the grill on the back deck, right? So these look really good.
They look.
Okay.
They do.
So hopefully all this works out really good. Okay. So there's that step one, and I'll go through the lineup of seasonings here. Okay. Maybe just a little bit more. Helps it stick. This is a dry rub rib. So we're going to put our olive oil in there. We're going to put our Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce is next. I'm going to put in maybe a cup. And then, secret ingredient right here. This is a really good smoked paprika. Get a little smoky flavor. You approve of the smoked paprika?
Oh, I love it.
Okay.
I love smoked.
How much do you want? Okay, let's do a teaspoon.
I love it.
Oh hell, why don't we just do two?
Let's do that.
Okay, there's that. Okay, now the cayenne pepper. Next. Ouch, number one. Ouch, number two. Ouch, number three. Okay, so 3 alarm. 3 alarm ribs here. Okay, we got the tahini with the lime. I like that a lot.
Me too.
This is going to be the primary source, along with the Worcestershire sodium. Okay, so I'm not going to add any salt to this because we have it here already. Oh, then, what is that? Another barbecue mystery spice. Yeah. I don't even know what to say on that one. Let's just use the whole thing. Okay. And another mystery spice. Now these don't have a bunch of salt in them. These are peppers and herbs. Just a little bit of that one. That one's got the rosemary in it. Okay. Okay. Well, okay. So now it's shake and bake. ton. Okay. So this is a dry rub marinade. Now you can put these in the freezer if you want to do this and have them marinade for a long time. Put these in the freezer because see how nice that looks. That right there will continue to marinate even in the freezer. So we're gonna marinate these for an hour, a couple hours. You know, you gotta get this going. Get them on the grill. Have some ribs tonight. Get all the air out. See, we're gonna put those in the ice box.
Okay.
And we're gonna let those marinate. All right, we got the jalapenos right there. Moving over to the grill. Let's see if these are done. Oh yeah, those are looking good right there. All right, so we've got the sunset rib dinner.
Yes.
Jalapenos, right?
Jalapenos, ribs.
All right. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We can barbecue on the grill.
Yay!
After we had the amazing rib dinner, we decided to go see a Kiss tribute band that a friend of mine is Paul Stanley. It was very close to us at Chill in Louisville. They had an amazing show, and you should check them out on Facebook. Their name is Rock and Roll Over, and they play a variety of towns in this area.